Garbage truck. A large green garbage truck rumbles down the street.
Wow, look at that amazing truck.
The garbage truck? It smells. And it's so dirty.
Frank bounces up and down with excitement.
But it goes beep beep and swoosh and crunch.
Still gross.
Patty flips through the air and lands next to them.
Actually, garbage trucks are heroes.
Heroes. But they're yucky and stinky.
Without them, our street would be yucky and stinky.
The truck picks up more trash with its mechanical arms.
I guess they do help keep things clean.
They make our whole town better.
Crunch, crunch. Watch it squish everything.
Olivia's eyes suddenly light up.
Wait, what if we made the truck pretty?
What do you mean?
We could paint flowers and sparkly stars on it.
And hamburgers.
And that's how the town got its first decorated garbage truck. Because sometimes the most important things just need a little sparkle to shine.